Hey y'all, this is Anna Alexander and this is Dish About the Dish, where the foods we eat tell the stories of our lives. And they say writing is a solitary adventure. And it can be, but it shouldn't be, because when you're stuck, you need your writer friends and your creative friends to help you out. So I'm with my creative friend. Hi Carmen! And we're gonna head to the farmer's market and we are going to put together the most awesome charcuterie cheeseboard ever and have a writing day. So let's go. And it's raining, but it's still gonna be awesome. So let's go. Rain or shine, a charcuterie board is a thing of beauty, requiring only a few simple ingredients, including a cheese, a meat product of some sort, fruit, and your conveyance, or something to transport all that delicious goodness to your mouth, meaning a cracker or a piece of bread. And there's no better place than to collect all these ingredients than my favorite location, the farmer's market, which means a stop at Salt Blade Handcrafted Meats for our sausage. Tuscan it is.
Absolutely.
Only that one a whirl.
Sure. Just the one for you today?
The next stop was Mina's for some hummus and some OMG delicious pita crackers. When it comes to fruit and veggies, you can go sweet or savory. Apples, peaches, pears, even cucumbers and sliced carrots are perfect on a cheese board. And fresh berries are a must. We end our trip with a stop at Little Q Bakery for something sweet, including these cinnamon rolls, where he actually had apple butter this time. With our shopping done, it's now time to return home and assemble. For today's board, we start with two types of salami from Salt Blade Meats, the Superzetta and the Tuscan. We're going to follow it up with some Boursin cheese, oh so yummy. And from Neighbor Lady Cheese, I have the Herbe de Provence, which was a hard cheese that is also excellent in risotto. Carmen's going to follow it up with some sliced fresh strawberries and our blackberries. Top it off with some dried apricots, sliced apples, and peaches, and we are ready to get to writing. Okay, it's been an hour plus in. How did we do? 701 words. 700 and a couple of glasses of wine. So bonus! And it almost empty. It was delicious. Thanks for spending time with us today, and please share what your favorite combinations are when you make your charcuteries. Till next time, y'all.